my chummies, this is Collie Calls. Give me a thumbs up and don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited about today's topic. Oh my god, I'm gonna read 5 texts for you. You know how we roll. So namhlanje sizokhuluma about people who are telling their partners ukuthi, why do I love you both? Shukuthi lo muntu lo uzibambe ngapha, uzibambe nangapha. And now they want to make sense to umuntu wakhe ukuthi, listen here, mina I love you both. And ukuthi uzothini uzoyenzani, mina I love you both. So guys, today I'm just gonna go straight into it and let's see what today has for us. Let me read the first text for you. So, Uti, I love you both, but my love for you is tainted by the fact that you are my friend. Gandhi. And I've been sleeping with you behind my partner's back. Guys, hi, sakala ngamabomb. Uti, you are a cheater and you are destroying our friendship. I don't know how you can live with yourself knowing that you've hurt someone I care about. So kusho ukuthi lo muntu lo une partner yakhe. Unomuntu azwana naye, but at the same time she's seeing a friend that doing funny things behind the back yaka upartner. But manje izinto ngathi azihambi kahle because naye ufriend wenza izinto ngapha, but at the same time is doing ezinye izinto emasayidini that this one is not impressed of. You know, Uti, I don't know how you can live with yourself knowing that you've hurt someone I care about. I'm disgusted by your actions and I'm not sure if I can ever forgive you. You are a selfish, self-centered person who only thinks about themselves. You don't care about anyone else's feelings as long as you get what you want. Well, I've got news for you. You're not going to get what you want from me. Get out of my life and stay out. I don't want to see your face. I don't want to hear a voice. And I don't want to think about who. Sekubi manje. Uti, you are a toxic person and I'm done with you. Uyaqhubeka girl. Uti, and as for your love, spare me the drama. You don't know what love is. Love is not using someone for your own selfish desires. Uti, love is not hurting people you claim to care about. You are a master of manipulation and I'm not going to fall for it again. You are a cheater and cheaters don't change. Get lost and take your love with you. Shukuthi busy uthi mina I love you, I love you, I love you. But at the same time, uyamuyuza, but who does that? Why do you even have to do things with your friend? It won't end well. It will never ever end well, especially if you know ukuthi umngani wakho unomuntu wakhe. You're like, mawuceda lapho you disrespect umuntu kamngani wakho. Mawuceda lapho utshela yena umngani wakho ukuthi mina ngithi I love you, I love you. Wow, guys, akumhambelanga kahle. Kumbedele. Let's go into the second one. Uthi, I love you both, but my love for you is overshadowed by the pain and betrayal I feel. I'm a betrayal. Hamba emoyeni la. Uthi, you are a liar and a cheater, and I can't believe I've ever trusted you. You promised me the world, and now you are throwing it all away for someone else. You are pathetic. Mara ngithi now no someone else. Uthi, and I'm ashamed to call you my friend. Kanti nenzani bangani? Abangani benzani? You used me, manipulated me, and cheated on me with someone who's supposed to be my friend. Oh, okay, I think there was an error there. Oh, guy cheated with a friend. Uti, you are a coward and you are not even sorry for what you've done. Uti, you are just sorry you got caught. Bambambile. bamu bambile, but bamu, yo, you know where the danger is. Uthi, you are a coward and you are not even sorry for what you've done. You just sorry you got caught. If bongabambwanga wena ngabe uyaqhubeka. Uthi, well, let me tell you something. I'm not going to be your scapegoats. I'm not going to be your dirty little secret. Get out of my life. Stay out of my life and never ever contact me again. Don't you dare try to reach out. You are dead to me, and I'll make sure everyone knows what a toxic person you are. My goodness. Yazi niyazikanda. Guys, wow. I don't even wanna go deeper kulena message. Nje the first and the second 2 days iqale ngama-bomb. Let's go to our third text. Sizwe ukuthi uthini lana. Uthi, I love you both, but my love for you is conditional. I love you, but I hate what you've done. Uthi, you are not going to change and you are going to keep doing what you're doing. And I'm not going to be there to pick up the pieces. So get lost and take your love with you. I deserve better than someone who would betray me like this. I deserve someone who respects me, who loves me, and who values our relationship. So guthi abamveluishi abamuzwa, uyinix, uyinada, uyifokol. Uthi, you are a selfish, self-centered person who only thinks about themselves. You don't care about anyone else's feelings. As long as you get what you want, it's good. Yo. Uthi, I'm done with you and I'm moving on. Yo. And yo. Again. Guys, let's go on to the fourth one. Ngishilo ngathi namhlanje siyagijima namhlanje. Yo, and kuyashisa. Izindaba ziyashisa namhlanje. Ziyangishisa. Ngiyajuluka. Ndijulukile guys. Yo, yazini. Uthi, I love you both, but I'm not sure if I can love you anymore. Guys, angeke ukhona ukuhlukanisa uthando lwakho kayi-2. Everyone has got only one heart. Uyabona ukuthi manje uthi I love you both, mara wena I don't think ukuthi I love you anymore or ngisazokuthanda the way bengokuthanda ngakhona. Alright, ithi ngiqhubeke mhlamba kashongo kanjalo mina sengiyazi edela, but uthi you've broken my heart and I'm not sure if I can ever trust you again. Uthi, and I'm not going to fall for your tricks again. You lied to me, you used me, you're a toxic person, and I'm done with you. Stay away from me, and I don't ever want to see your face. I don't want to hear your voice, and I don't want to think about you. Uthi ngithi nala kuma thoughts wami, angisafuni nje nokukutotha ngoba wena, no, I'm done. You are a waste of my time and energy, and I'm not going to waste any more of it on you. Leave me alone. Guys, kunzima guys. Namhlanje niyangishisisa and anginane fan. Mele ngithole ifan because le ndaba zenu ziyangishisa. Sure, let's go to the fifth one, which is the last text of the day. Uthi, I love you both, but my love is not enough to save our relationship. Uthi lothando lo soluncane lungaka and angeke khona ukusave nix ngoba wena you've destroyed the trust, the respect and the love we had. Uthi wena una zero respect towards me, towards the relationship and towards the love that we had. Uthi wena mina I'm not gonna waste time anymore on someone who doesn't value our relationship. Get out and don't come back. I deserve better than someone who would throw away our love like it's nothing. Uyithrowa kanjani? Uyithrowa kanjani? Yeah, uthi you are a coward. Ugel uyavutha. Uthi and you are not worth my time or energy anymore because you are selfish. You are self-centered. Kusho ukuthi kugcwele ama-self-centered nama-self-selfish la kuleya namhlanje. Uthi you only think about yourself. You don't think about anyone else's feelings. As long as wena uright, well, I've got news because you are not to get what you want anymore. For me, I am sana. Ndidani wena utoxic andisakufuni. Wow, guys, today ngiyashisa ngiyashiselwa itopic iyavutha ama-text wanamhlanje ayangivuthisa. But well, let me know what you think about today's video, and that's it for today. Bye.